Hi, welcome to Goldilocks Academy. My name is Clementine, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how to put on your Goldilocks human hair silk topper. So let's get started, and I'll show you how easy it is to put on your human hair silk topper. So I have my topper here. This one is the color Calypso. First, you're going to go around and undo the clips. So they all have a pressure sensitive clip, which is really gentle on your own hair. It has 6 clips. Go around first and undo those. Next, you're going to want to take out your own hair. Your own hair should be left out underneath. And then I like to brush a little bit forward of my own hair, which is the bit I'm going to blend with the topper. It's often easy also to wet this hair and blow dry it forward so that it wants to stay there. And this is the bit you're going to blend up and over with your topper. So, taking my topper, I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to place it just behind my own hairline. This one has been parted with a slight left part, so I'm going to line it up with my own hair on a slight left part. If you'd like to change the part on it, you just need to wet the hair and comb the hair over to the new part line. The comb at the front should always be in the center of your head. So taking the comb, I'm going to place it just behind my hairline and flick it back on, lining up the part. Now I'm going to push it down flat and just check that it's where I would like it to sit before I go and clip it on. So just making sure it's flat on my head in a comfortable place, sitting well at the hairline. Once everything looks good, I'm just going to go around and gently scoop a little bit of my own hair and do up the clips. Make sure the clips aren't pulling. They're designed to gently scoop to be really secure. If you feel like they are pulling your own hair in any way, then you have pulled it too far down and you're pulling your own hair. So just undo that clip and then just re-clip it. It shouldn't pull your own hair at all. Should be super comfortable and still feel secure. So now that my topper is on, I'm going to check the front hairline and I'm going to take a brush and just brush out a little bit of my own hair at the front there and brush that up and over. And that is going to give the hairline and cover up the edge of the silk top. So up and over. There's that beautiful silk top there. As I said, it can be parted anywhere on top. It's going to give that skin look. Once my topper is on, I can go around and I can style it any way I want. I can tie it up if I like, low bun, anything like that. This one I'm going to wear out, and I've already styled it with a soft curl. So that's how easy it is to put on your human hair topper. This is one of our Goldilocks silk tops designed to blend with your own hair. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you're interested in our silk toppers, don't forget to go to our website, goldilocks.com. We also have a lot of other helpful videos on human hair wigs and toppers, so don't forget to check those out as well by subscribing to our channel. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like. Thanks again for watching. Bye!